Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Less Health with Ange, and I have another raw creation for you. And that raw creation is vegan brownies. That's right, raw vegan brownies. Get ready. Okay, so ingredients for these raw vegan brownies is going to be
prunes, we got cacao powder, cocoa, pink Himalayan salt, almonds, chia seeds, and then we got some vanilla extract. Boom!
Alright, so now that it's all processed, this is the batter. This is how you want it to look. Okay, so it's real sticky. It's pretty thick. Alright, it can be formed at this point. Alright. Alright, thank you for tuning in for another easy, delicious, and nutritious raw creation. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Let's help, baby.